Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to clear all search history in Google Play Store. The first thing you do is open up your Google Play Store and then you tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. Tap on the settings icon here. No, not settings icon, setting option. Then tap on general. Tap on account, country and history. It's under account and device preferences. And now scroll down, and once you've gone down here you will see history. Clear device search history. Remove searches that you have performed from this device. Tap on it and confirm that all searches that you've made in play on this device will be removed by tapping on clear history. Search history cleared. It is as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful on how to clear all search history in Google Play Store. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel.